Okay, we are leaving Europe after about 27 days of road trip. This is Charles de Gaulle Paris Airport, and we are going to fly from here to Istanbul, Turkey for 3 days, and inshallah from there we go back to United States. So our world tour of 27 days is over now. See you in Turkey. What a nice airport. Look at the seats. Yep. As compared to seats at our airports in the States. I mean, these are very comfortable seats in Paris. Charles de Gaulle Airport. Very nice place. Look at the seats here. Yeah. This is the Charles de Gaulle Paris Airport Lounge. A beautiful, very comfortable seats here. We still have an hour and a half left in our flight. So we're going to go and eat something. It's a beautiful airport, very comfortable. Seats are very comfortable. It's a very quiet airport.